Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download and install Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda. So first, we go to open a browser. Here I have Google Chrome. So we found the Google Chrome shortcut and double click on it. So the Google Chrome opens. Um, it directly give me the Google search engine. If you don't have Google search engine, you just type in to google.com and enter. So in the input prompt, you type in Jupyter Notebook. Actually, we are normally we just go search Jupyter Notebook. Here we're gonna uh, install Anaconda instead of uh, installing Jupyter Notebook. So instead of Jupyter Notebook, we type in to Anaconda. So here is a Anaconda website. It should be the first search result from Google. So we click on it and open the Anaconda website. So here we click on get started, and we choose the first CO on Anaconda products. So there are three main products here. So we choose the individual version. Um, so we click on the learn more under individual version. Um, here it gives you um, a download button. So we click on this download button. Okay, so because here I'm running Windows 10 64-bit, so I also want to use Python 3 instead of Python 2. So I pick the Python 3.7 64-bit graphical installer. So we move our cursor on this 64-bit graphical installer. It's about 466 megabytes. So we move the cursor on it and click on it. So it should be downloaded automatically. So here shows there is 1 minute left. So we just wait to let it um, finish the downloading. Dun, 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 dun. So Anaconda contains the Jupyter Notebook package. So it's easier. It's an easy way to install Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda. That's why we choose Anaconda installer here instead of going to the Jupyter Notebook website. Um, Also, Anaconda in recent years is really popular, especially for data science um, or scientific fields. Especially you want to learn Python or you use Python, you must know about Anaconda. It's almost done. Okay, it's done. Uh, so here it shows it's already done. We can just directly click on, just left click on it. It will load, and here is a installing window. So it shows welcome to Anaconda 3 2020 February 64-bit version. So we click on next. Here the license agreement, we just directly I agree button, click on it. Install for just me or all user, whatever you choose. We can choose all users and click on next. Okay, it pops. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So we click on yes. So here it let you customize a destination folder. We can just use the default destination folder. So we just directly click on next button. Here is the advanced option. So the first one is to add Anaconda 3 to the system path environment variable. So we can choose to check both. Okay, so it shows not recommended, so I just uncheck it. Leave the default checked item. It's registering Anaconda 3 as the system Python 3.7. So then we click on install button. Okay, it's installing. You can show some details here. See, extracting. Seems like there are many packages. I mean Python packages packed inside this Anaconda 3 package. So it should be convenient for the uh, new learner of Python, or for the students who wants to learn, who starts to learn Python. Um, Actually, during this installation, we can introduce the Miniconda. If you don't want so many unnecessary packages, we can just use Google to search Miniconda. We can go to Miniconda, and Miniconda should contain the Jupyter Notebook package too. So here is the Python 3.7 version and 64-bit item. So we can choose this one. You can see the Anaconda package is about 466 megabytes. It's large. But for Miniconda, it's just about 51.6 megabytes. So that's why it's called a mini. It does because it doesn't contains all the packages contained um, in the Anaconda package. Sometimes most of them are not necessary, especially for new learners. All we want here in this video is the Jupyter Notebook and Python 3. Of course, it should include NumPy or SciPy. some basic or really popular Python packages. So here we choose Anaconda because um, for Miniconda sometimes maybe it lacks some necessary or Jupyter Notebook package. I'm not sure actually. It's but I'm sure what I am sure is that Anaconda must have Jupyter Notebook packed inside. Okay, it's still installing. Uh, that means there are a lot of setups going on. Um, so we can just wait. Also, this is for showing the installation of Jupyter Notebook, installation of Jupyter Notebook under Windows 10 operating system. If you are using Mac or OS operating system, you can choose here. You can just if your Mac is at 64-bit, you can just choose the 64-bit graphical installer here in the middle. It should be easy to install Anaconda and under Mac OS operating system. Um, should be straightforward. It's still installing a little bit. Uh, if yeah, that's also why sometimes I don't like large package because they contain so many small unnecessary packages. More packages means more installation time. So Miniconda sometimes is a better option for some users. Oh, here in the Miniconda website, you can see if Miniconda is right for you. We can click on it to see what's in the Miniconda. Okay, choose Miniconda or Anaconda. Choose Anaconda if you are new to Conda or Python. Okay, that's why we are installing Anaconda because I just want to show everyone, including new user, how to install Jupyter Notebook, or if you want to start to learn Python. Choose Anaconda if you like the convenience of have Python and over 1,500 scientific packages. That's why it's installing really slowly. Um, choose Anaconda if you have the time and disk space and a few minutes. It mentioned the time consuming too. And 3 gigabyte. Wow, that's really huge. Choose Anaconda if you do not want to individually install each of packages you want to use. So especially for new users, installation gonna be also consuming for new users. Okay, so if you want to choose Miniconda, um, Um, that means you don't mind install each of the packages you want to use individually. For like a middle level or high level users, these tasks are not actually a burden for middle and higher users. Okay, choose Miniconda if you do not have time or disk space because it doesn't include so many, like 1,500 packages at once. Um, choose Miniconda if you want fast access to Python and the conda commands and you wish to sort out the other programs later. So here you can check on your own situation to decide if you want to install Anaconda or Miniconda. It's still installing. Wow, it means it's really huge. Okay, it's completed. Great. Um, so see, that shows installation complete. Setup was completed successfully. So we click on next button and next, and we can uncheck if you don't want to Anaconda to open these tutorial or like a website, learn more um, websites. You can uncheck on it and finish it. So okay, so we can see if we have okay, we have uh, Anaconda. Okay, here. So okay, here we have Anaconda 3 64-bit installed. You can open this new shortcut folder, and you can see there are several sub shortcuts added in this Anaconda folder. Um, oh, here you can see here is a Jupyter Notebook. Um, oh, also Spider is also included. I'm not going to talk about Spider. It's also an interactive interface of Python. Today I'm gonna focusing on Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we can just click on this shortcut, Jupyter Notebook Anaconda 3. Okay. And Jupyter Notebook actually just using your default browser as the platform. So here we are opening Jupyter Notebook. So as a start, we can just choose any um, um, directory. So for example, I choose downloads directory, and we can click on this new. Uh, we can choose the engine. That engine, kernel engine, is Python 3. You can build a new Jupyter Notebook. Here we go. My first Jupyter notebook. We can just give a new notebook name here. The default Jupyter notebook name is untitled. We can just click on this untitled and change the name, rename here, and we can print the classical hello world. Hello world. I just successfully installed Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda. Yay! We can run it. It gives you the output. Hello world, I just successfully installed Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda. Okay, everyone, that's all for this topic, how to download and install Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda. If you are liking this video, please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time.